Guys, the spotlight of tonight is Stylecraft Ace Blowdryer. Now let's see what's inside the box. First thing we're pulling out is a diffuser. This is what you need if you want to be drying curls. Second, coming out of the box is a concentrator. This is what you want when you want a direct airflow and you also want to style someone's hair. Here we are now taking out the blow dryer itself. What I like about the blow dryer is that it has 1600 watts of power, okay? So when you have a blow dryer, you have to make sure before you have the airflow or a lot of airflow, you need to have the heat, okay? The heat is more important than airflow. 1600 watts of power is plenty of heat in this blow dryer. And then you have the airflow on top of that. And last, we have a cleaning brush. This thing works excellent, okay? So you have a 9-foot cord, which means I don't have to worry about, staying close to the corner of wherever I have the outlet. I could actually reach my client while I'm blow drying, which is very, very huge because I've had short cords before and it is terrible when you can't reach your client. What I also like too is that this blow dryer folds in half. So you can take this thing anywhere you want. It is easy to actually pack into luggage because, again, it's foldable, making it a little bit more compact, okay? I also like that the attachments that go on it, the diffuser and the concentrator, are not magnetic, okay? And the reason I like them not being magnetic is because a lot of times when you go put it back in the holster, the pieces, sometimes the attachments will fall off. I have had plenty of times where I'm moving the blow dryer around left and right just to kind of flick the hair around and parts go flying across the room. So to have them actually snap right in, they're all 360 degreeable. You can just twist them however you'd like. That makes this much better than my last blow dryer. So now for how much heat this thing packs, it's at like 69 bucks, super cheap. You do save 10% going on the website, Stylecraft website, and type it in, save 10. This is probably the biggest bang for your buck as far as a blow dryer goes. To have a good blow dryer that cheap, go for it. You guys gotta make sure you check that out. Here's the before and after. If you guys want to see me review something different that I haven't touched yet, please comment down below. I will get right back to you and we will try to make that happen. Thank you guys so much for making it this far into the video. I do hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, please. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.